What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building, baby. I am back here in Pooler, Georgia at Robert Simmons' practice session here in Pooler for the 3-year anniversary YouTube channel he has. Congratulations, Rob, on your success and everything. And we're going to be doing a competition between Joe Go and riding and wrenching is going to be a slow riding contest right now. So it's going to be a great event. I can't wait to see it. Robert's going to be doing the actual refereeing as well. What's going on, buddy? We got Tall in the building, baby.
What's going on, everybody?
How's it going?
Good, good.
Beautiful weather here.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Good day to be out.
Yep. So,
What's up?
so we got a lot of YouTubers here as well, some content creators that are going to be doing some filming as well. And it's going to be a really nice, epic moment here. I'm going to try to do some drone footage while they're doing the contest as well. And yeah, like I said, beautiful weather here in Pooler, Georgia. We're going to show you the bikes real quick to see how they look. So these are the two competitors that are going to be going at it here on the course. It's going to be great. We got riding and wrenching as well. Look at that. Circles, baby, circles. Wow. And then we got Joe Go. He's going to be doing his thing as well. And they're going to be setting up right now really quick. Can't wait to see this. Oh, it's going to be an epic moment. Stay tuned, baby. All right, we're here with a whole bunch of content creators. Traveling Tall. Look at this.
That he calls idly, right? Idly. Joe is from Memphis, Tennessee.
Yep.
Coming from Memphis, Tennessee.
I'll let Tall do the talking.
Look at this bike, right? Check it out. Now let me do something, guys. Let's get down here and see if you can practice it. Slow riding. And what brought us all together?
Scrape it.
Yeah, it got a little scraping down there. Just a little bit, not much, right? Okay. Let's go over here.
Real nice bike.
Go.
I'm sorry.
Represent.
Are you ready for the ride?
I'm ready.
Oh, yeah.
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's do it, baby.
Ohio, right?
Oh, wait.
All right, hold on. Let's get down here and see something real fast.
Oh, you know there's scrapes underneath there, buddy.
Scrape
All right,
underneath
cheating
here.
already. Hey,
You got scrapes?
Tell them go blue.
A little bit. A little bit.
Right, Joe? Go blue.
Yeah. So where's the belt? Show them the belt.
It's down there.
took it down there?
Robert's going to present everything.
Well, formally introduce yourself. I haven't introduced you on this video yet, so go ahead.
That's Joe Go.
My name's Joe Go. I'm the guy that's going to be the rider today. I have a YouTube channel, Joe Go Motorcycle Adventures. Go ahead, check it out. I do some slow speed maneuvers, product reviews, rides, events.
And second place finishes and
Oh.
slow competition.
You get over there, all right?
All right. So Joe Go, good luck. Thank you. Then we have Brian and Richard again. Yes, sir. Good luck. Thank you, man.
So what they're doing is they're doing a slow ride maneuvering, and we got the referee, Robert Simmons, right there. And he's got the title belt as well, right there. Slow-mo champion.
Yeah, I'm just going to hit record
Oh, yeah.
on this so that way I have it.
We've actually done this twice already.
We got my boy right here. How's it going?
Good.
Good. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing? Good morning.
I'm good.
How you doing?
Thank you.
I think I remember you before.
I was here in '83.
Yeah, but when I was born.
Oh my God.
Nice. All right, so we're getting ready. We got all the bikes right here. Let me get a quick little glimpse at the bikes. Real nice. Oh, I like that custom paint job right there. And this is the brand new CVO. Looking tight, looking tight. Wow. Robert's the only person I know that puts rolled on his tires. Yeah. He's got some bolas. Beautiful bike. Couldn't do it this year. Maybe next year when the new model comes out. Okay, Misty in the building. Robert Simmons. Okay guys, so we're about to get ready to handle business here with Joe Go and Riding and Wrenching. They've been going at it on YouTube for a minute now. So it's gonna be an epic slow race. And you will definitely see some heavy duty. They're probably gonna go like 2 rounds. I don't know. We'll see what happens, maybe for fun. So let's get ready and we're gonna hit the runway.
All right, guys. Let's get it on whenever y'all ready.
Let's get it on.
All bets down.
Now, what'd you say you want me to say? You want me to say something to the camera?
Yeah.
Finesse the challenger.
Present the belt and then explain the rules. And then
Oh, yeah.
Hit it. All right. Slow speed champion. You guys understand the rules. I'm going to explain them to you. Let me know if you understand them. If you have any questions, ask me. This is the slow speed championship belt. Okay? This is going to be a best of 3. Whoever, obviously, I'm going to say it even though it's obvious. If you win 2, it's over. Okay? It's over for the other one.
I've already won 2, so this is over?
oh, get out of here.
You have to stop living in the past.
Okay.
Okay? All right. You guys are going to start 1 foot on the ground. I'm going to have 1 hand in the air. I'm going to say on your mark, get set, and I'm going to blow my whistle. When that whistle blows, and I'm letting you know, when that whistle blows, if your foot is still on the ground after it blows, right after it blows, that's it. You're done. The other person wins. So as soon as you hear that whistle, foot up. Understood?
Understood.
Okay. If you're going down this lane, you have roughly 9 feet to work with. If you put a foot down, you're going to hear a whistle. Just stop right there. If you hit a cone, stop right there. My advice, keep your head in your eyes straight ahead. Don't worry about what's going on to the side. The last person's motorcycle. You both have the same type of motorcycles as far as saddlebags. Whoever's saddlebags past this cone at the end, last, you are the winner. Okay? If there's a photo finish, we have a camera set up to take care of that. Now you're editing it and you've shown that you're pretty good at the video, so you know I think I should put my camera on the other side just to be impartial.
Hey, whatever you need to do.
We're also gonna have a drone up above our heads too, so we're gonna have multiple views of this. Yeah. You have any questions?
I just want to know, how sad are you going to be after I finish speaking?
You have
All right,
any
dude.
non-antagonistic
Joe, this is what you do. Just go ahead and put your foot down on the first one, just to try, and let's see how it happens. We'll test it out.
All right.
Okay. It's also understood that later on today there's going to be a slow race with a bunch of other motorcycle riders, and whoever wins that will go home with this belt. All right? Any questions?
No question.
Any more questions?
Nope.
Shake hands. Come on, fight.
Oh.
Don't force affection. Yo, you're out.
Hold on, hold on.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, Joe Go. On behalf of Joe Go Motorcycle Adventures, I'd like to present you with the Slow Speed Champion belt. Congratulations. Hopefully you can hold on to it for the day in.
I want to thank everybody for showing up. I know, I mean, we all knew who was going to win anyways. So, Q's coming over here. Hey, you got that present that I gave you?
It only took him 8 tries to do it, but you know, he finally got it.
Yeah. I got Q a box of tissues. So if you want to use those later, you can. But this is going to be up for grabs for the preloader race. Hey Q, can you do me a favor and put this on?
No.
No?
I'll put it on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you definitely don't want me to do that.
Woo! Guys, we will see who will take this home. I know it's not going to be me, so definitely not going to be Q. He ain't taking it.
Here's what I'll say. Don't know that. Like I said, sometimes technicality. You know that now. And definitely pay attention to the practice session today. I'm going to be talking to you as we're doing exercise number 2. Warm up.
All right, guys. Stay tuned for the preloader race.
What's up, Jogo?
Oh,
and we're here with the new champion. How do you feel to be a champion of slow-mo?
You know, Q was talking all that smack. You know what? I'm actually going to make a video of all the smack talk that he made and then put it at the beginning of my video.
All right.
I mean, it feels great to finally beat Q. He had me in my beginner days, and he practiced a little bit longer than me, but it just goes to show with some practice, you can always win.
Make sure you follow Jogo on his YouTube channel, baby. Let's see that belt.
Oh.
Check it out. There you go, guys. Congratulations, man.
Thank you, sir.
So we got Q the rider here.
Yes,
Q, explain to me what happened out there. What happened?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know?
Lack of practice, I guess.
Yeah.
Joe's, he's obviously been working on a slow ride, and it showed. He did really well.
Right. Did you have a little problem with the throttle a little bit, or it was just?
It's different. I mean, when you, well, that particular bike, I've got a Screaming Eagle clutch, and I don't know if it's a mental thing, but it just feels different.
Right. Why that bike? Why you chose that bike? Because you have other
I
bikes.
bought that bike because I did some work to it the last couple of weeks, and this is the last chance I'm going to have to put it on the road.
Right.
So I brought it. I wasn't planning to bring this bike. I brought it because I wanted to put it on.
Yeah, because there's a lot of people who are probably going to be asking, why didn't you bring your CVO?
Oh, actually, CVO would have been worse.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's just newer clutch.
Yeah, it's newer clutch, and it's different, man. So now I had a better chance on this bike than the CVO.
Would there be another rematch later on?
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely. All right, Q. I'll talk to you. Make sure you guys follow him. Q the rider, baby. Riding and wrenching all the way. Let's go.
Thank you, brother.
All right. So, what was your reaction on your the slow race? What'd you think?
I mean, he's standing right there, but I think if the man would have had that Road King, he would have won.
He would have won?
I'm going to tell you something.
But Jogo is pretty nasty.
Jogo is pretty nasty, but here's the thing. Those Road Kings, there's a reason why police officers ride Road Kings. Those things just handle.
That's true.
You know what I mean?
And it's a lighter.
It's a lighter bike.
Yeah, that is true.
So next time, I think.
Sorry.
Wait a minute, guys. We have this opportunity right here. We're here with the Indian motorcycle rider, which he has a
Not just
ambassador.
Rider, I'm an ambassador.
He's an ambassador for
Okay.
Indian Motorcycle Company. Man, sorry about that. But anyway.
What's that make me?
Just kidding. So here's the thing. So he has Indian Pursuit. It's a good bike. But up here.
Sorry.
But yesterday, as we was riding, we took off. I was up front. Q was up front. Robert was up front. And we was on, what was we on? Harley Davidson. Harley. Did you see any Indians? No, I ain't see nothing. That's all I gotta say.
Hey, I'm behind you, and Rob's suit and lead.
Fall over or something.
Hey, now if y'all want to believe that, you go ahead. Hey, Paul kept saying like, it's okay, you go ahead. He kept waving his hand. I don't know what that means.
Well, other than that, the slow race was pretty cool.
Slow race was pretty cool.
You should have that at your event, I think, coming up.
Slow race. Now we have fast races.
Oh, fast races. Okay.
We ain't doing nothing but 8 miles there, but anyway. And the last time we had an event, Trask Air Run to the Hills 3, we had a bunch of Indians show up, which I am an Indian fan too. I have an Indian motorcycle in the garage. I got a Pursuit in the garage, okay? So anybody that want to bring their motorcycle, they can come and run it on the 8th mile and see what it do. And then we're gonna race on Saturday, and I'm gonna send them to the parts counter on Monday because they're gonna be trying to figure out
Oh, yeah.
how to get some speed in their bike.
And make sure you go run to the hills, baby, next
Run
year.
to the Hills 3, Barber
There you go.
CVO.
All right, all right.
Thanks, man.
All right, guys. As you saw it, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked the video. It was a great slow race. Now they're gonna have a practice session here, and congratulations to Joe Go on his success on slow riding. If you want to challenge him, hit him up on Instagram or YouTube so you guys can have that belt. So if you got what it takes, hit up Joe Go on YouTube or Instagram. All right. Thank you everybody who showed up. It was amazing. Thank you, Rob. It was an amazing turnout here and for your event as well. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. All right. Peace out.